Hey everyone, this is Ray at American Motors, showing off our 1972 Big Block Challenger. It's a really nice driver. It's gold with the white interior. It was originally a factory air car. It still has air conditioning, however it doesn't work. So the next owner will have to take care of that. It's got the nice black roof, black spoiler, black rims, and the black kind of stinger on the hood and the side decals. .440 automatic, runs real good, doesn't overheat, doesn't have any major leaks. We will have pictures of the undercarriage of the car as well for you, so you can see it. There's a nice paint on the hood. It's got power steering. Let's go and turn it on. It's got a stereo system in it. Nice power steering. We got signals, both directions, lights. Boy, I think sounds good. Call us with any questions, 408-610-1000. That's our number. We're in San Jose, California. We can arrange to have the car shipped to you anywhere in the country. We can take care of all that for you. If you have an inspector, we always welcome and encourage third-party inspections. Just have them coordinate with us, and we'd love to help you there. If you have questions about financing, we can help you as well in that department. 408-610-1000. Give us a call, and we'll be happy to speak with you. If you are local, we encourage you to definitely come down and take it for a test drive. This is a really nice sought after body style. It's got all the RT gauges, but it's not an RT, it's like an RT Tribute. So give us a call, 408-610-1000, and get this thing in your driveway. Thank you so much.